today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a balloon tower stand from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 of those stands, also 12-inch balloons and 9-inch balloons. Optional, an electric balloon pump. This is everything that comes in the balloon stand bag and the instructions. So you're going to take the long stick, put it into that white piece, put the connector onto this part and attach the other long stick and you get the stand. For the balloons, you're going to clip them into this little piece and 4 should go around. In total, you'll have 4 clips and 16 balloons and you just drop them down onto the stick. And last, snap in the cone looking device onto the top. And this can be a little flimsy, so make sure that you lean it up against something so it doesn't topple over. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to shine bright, never let anyone turn off your light. Until next video.